Hi, my name is Justin Castleman. I own Castleman & Sons Plumbing. We are a residential, commercial, and industrial service contractor. We do remodel, renewable, such as solar, hot water, and energy efficiency projects, such as high-efficiency water heaters. And we also do water conservation, high-efficiency toilets, fixtures, and appliances. This customer has a history of problems with stoppages between the house and the street. And what we want to do is we just want to videotape it to see if there's been any other issues or if there's any roots that are growing in. And we just want to give it an inspection so we know where we're at. Okay, we're recording. And we have about 6 feet of PVC or of cast iron, and then there's PVC. We've got some type of a repair. You can see that this sewer has backed up in the past. You can see that the watermarks on the upper side of the pipe. This is the bottom of the pipe, and you can see the staining. That is roots growing through the joint right there. We're 142 feet of cable, but we've got about a foot of vertical here, and then about 3 feet before it gets outside the building. Through changes in direction and vertical drops too that I saw, that's where we pick up the extra footage from, but we're definitely in the city sewer. So we're at the main, and we're going to start pulling the camera head back now, and also videotaping on the way back. So we're looking at the bottom of the pipe is right here where the water is flowing, and then up around the side a little bit, you can see what would really be about 10 o'clock. You've got some roots growing through that joint, and they're not bad. They're there. They will continue to grow, and at some point they'll grow and into the pipe large enough where they'll cause a stoppage. With proper cleaning and treatment, we can keep the roots at bay for a number of years. And some customers feel that cutting the tree down will prevent the problem. That's not the case. It's already too late once they've grown in. The value that the trees add to the home is worth more than cutting the tree down because of a root problem in the sewer. Now, earlier we demonstrated how that cutter spins and how it opens and changes size along with the pipe size. That's what's important. Those roots are growing in from the top of the pipe, the top and the upper sides. If you go in with the wrong size cutter, you don't actually do any cleaning. You can't cut those roots because the cutter doesn't reach them.
The sludge buildup, is there some way a homeowner can prevent that, or not really?
We do have products that will keep that at bay. We have environmentally friendly products that use friendly bacteria and enzymes. It does work, but I usually tell my customers that they have to use it on a regular basis, monthly, and you need to have the discipline to do that. And if you don't, it's not worth buying the product because it'll just sit on a shelf. For the roots, we also have chemical treatment. We use something called Root-X. It's a foaming agent. It comes in a 2-part mixture. We mix up the product, pour it down to clean out, run a little water, and the foam expands and coats the inside of the pipe and makes contact with those roots, and will help stunt the growth. When we use that product, we'll give a 1-year warranty. And we're back. Probably recommend a root foaming product just because there are at least 3 joints that have a little bit of roots growing in. It will be a number of years before that becomes a problem, and it's up to them. As long as their customers are aware, they can see on the DVD what they have and where it's at, which is nice. If the customer doesn't want to do it, we're fine with that. The roots will grow back a little more rapidly if we don't treat them, but it just means the interval in cleanings will be a little more often. Okay, we're all done videotaping, and we're going to finalize a copy of this DVD for the customer so that they have a hard copy. If the customer's not interested in having a copy, we'll burn a copy for our own records for future reference. Okay, there's the copy for the customer.